So clouds are spreading through, but we're not seeing much in the way of rainfall just yet. A lot of that rain is centered down to our south. It's moving in with a heavier batch that will likely have some bigger impacts for the South Coast, Cape and Islands just within the next hour. Right now, we do have a few sprinkles being reported in southern New Hampshire, moving into southern Maine. That's making its way north and eastward out of the area. Then there's that next batch, and it's just barely starting to make its way now onto the islands, making its way eventually toward the Cape. And this is one that's going to produce some heavier showers as we move throughout the next hour or two. By 9 o'clock, you can see it's even trying to make its way toward areas like Plymouth, although it does seem that this batch, as it tracks northeastward, will mainly stay south and east of 95. Then we have a few spot showers developing for the rest of us as we approach noon today. That's going to be pushing through for this evening as well. But at no point do I think there's going to be widespread heavy showers with the kind of nature of the showers today. It is looking to be very scattered. One thing to consider, so passing shower chance today, we have a lull heading into tomorrow morning and even the early afternoon. That's your best shot for getting outside, because by tomorrow evening we are looking to turn stormy, and that's when we could see some heavy showers moving right into the area. So let's get you outside right now. In Boston, it is cloudy. We're at 63, and believe it or not, this temperature is pretty much as warm as we're going to get for Boston. Some of us topping out in the mid to upper 60s. Norwood just about 67. Worcester could even top out in the lower 60s this afternoon. Then tonight we're in the upper 50s to lower 60s. It's looking relatively mild before heating up tomorrow. Many of us reaching into the 80s tomorrow. With that dry break in the morning, we could see some slivers of sun trying to break through, but any sun that does break through will join in with that heat and humidity to help to fire off a chance of storms heading into tomorrow late afternoon and evening. And this is the main threat that we're watching with that next storm potential tomorrow. Gusty winds pushing through and the likelihood of some heavy rainfall with a line of thunderstorms arriving. And again, that's the late afternoon into the evening tomorrow. So here's a closer breakdown of the timing, because if you do have outdoor plans tomorrow, here it is through noon. You do look okay. In fact, you could see some sun trying to break through. Then we move toward 3-4 o'clock. That starts to trigger off some storms. As we see by 5 o'clock, that storm chance pushing right through Boston and really through much of Massachusetts as well in southern New England. Could see some stronger and heavier showers even through late tomorrow night, possibly lingering into Monday, but very light for Monday's forecast. And then we do dry out for Tuesday and Wednesday.